So here we are in, guess where I am? London. Yeah, so a bit of a weekend away after an extremely busy week in the studio, setting up the new studio, things like that. So I've come away with Sarah and some friends just to do a bit of West End. Went to see Stranger Things the musical, Stranger Things the West End show last night, which was brilliant. And look, here is HMS Belfast and the Shard. This is one of the coolest stations, this. Seen from Star Wars. What a beautiful view. This is the top of the Hilton Hotel, overlooking Tower Bridge, Tower of London. And then there's the Shard. And there's the Sky Garden. Over there is Canary Wharf. This is the 10 Bells in London, which is associated with Jack the Ripper because it's all around Whitechapel and Brick Lane. It's very noisy. These toilets are described as a trip down into hell because there's old graffiti down here relating to the Jack the Ripper times, 1880s, that kind of thing. And apparently these are quite haunted. So on these walls there's old graffiti going right back to the Victorian times. And apparently this is where Jack the Ripper used to come and stalk his victims. So it's back home, Saturday evening, workshop tomorrow. We're going to paint a watercolour of Daisy. Special fundraising workshop for cats protection. But here we are at St Pancras Station, and there's the time. A little bit of Derbyshire in London. The Derbyshire boys built this. To get the centre of the daisies, but man, I just keep looking back at the picture and just thinking, yeah, this is working. Obviously, that's the original photograph of Daisy. You've seen it, and then you know this is what we're creating, and just putting a few blades of grass over the top, and just that lovely little finishing touch is going to make all the difference here. Love the detail in the eye. Well, there you go. That was a wonderful and emotional workshop. So I just want to, if you're watching this vlog, do say a big thank you to you all for taking part and supporting it, because this workshop of Daisy that we've just done here came out lovely. Really pleased with how it came out. It's kind of a bit of a, there's going to be a very generous donation to Cats Protection on the back of it, so thank you for your support. Yeah, so that was a pleasure. Now if you want to have a go at this yourself, then you can pick up all previous workshops, of course, on watercolor.tv. That was an amazing workshop. Thoroughly enjoyed it. How special to get my cat that sadly died a couple of weeks ago. People around the world have painted Daisy. She lives forever. Amazing. So, quick update on the new film studio. Got some more lighting. This lighting is going to cast a beautiful watercolor TV turquoise to the set. So we actually have a set. Yes, we've got a proper set. This is great. Proper job here. Proper job. Really proud of this. A lot of work's gone into creating this setup here with all the tech and a beautiful looking background to suit. So now I've had time to sit here in the studio and look at Daisy, you know, after being emotionally sat painting this with an amazing group of people over the weekend. I'm kind of, this is the day after this is Monday the 2nd of Feb. Just looking and just kind of getting all the, making a, you know, just putting the little tweaks. This has been sat on my easel in my living room for the past 12 hours or so, and just looking and making little finishing touches to it. I've put a few extra blades of grass on, more than anything, and just made a few little finishing tweaks to it that I felt it needed. And and mainly using the likes of natural grey and natural opaque white. They've been the colours I've been using. Here's the white. I did use some natural green as well, just to put a little bit green, but the main thing I've done is made it look a little bit longer third, made the fur look longer more than anything, and that's worked. So, happy. This is going on my wall. Here we are in London again. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So, my vlog. This is my vlog.
Okay, good evening.
What are we doing?
Good afternoon.
Why are we here?
Why are we here?
This is Charlie, or Charles. What are we doing here?
Whichever. Do you want the long story or the short story?
Mid
story.
Mid story.
Okay. From the age of 6 years old, my daughter said, "Am I going too fast?" I'll slow it down a little bit. My daughter, from the age of 6 years old, was into theatre and musicals. All I ever got in the car was musicals, from Hamilton to all the big ones. So she embarked on a career in that, GCSE drama, and then went on to dance school, and she got various qualifications and levels and became a teacher, and then went to college, and then she finally, back in November, graduated from Arden School of Theatre, and she is now moved down to Putney in London. She's got an agent and a spotlight. Perhaps we could put a spotlight spotlight tag in the comments, maybe we could do that
in the description.
And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, she is appearing in her very first West End show. It's by the I believe the West End Theatre Association. They had to audition for it, but it's all about newcomers. So she's new to it. She's looking for work, and she auditioned and she got a part. There's about 10 of them in this one night only show, showcasing new talent for the West End in London. God bless her.
And
her name's Sadie Samways.
here we are to celebrate.
Keep your eye out for
Cheers.
that name. I'm very proud, Dad. God bless.
Well done.
Thanks for that, mate. Cheers. That's insane.
So
it must be
literally,
the Phoenix Art Club is like a subsidiary to it, or next to it.
so
or
literally
something.
3 days ago, we were here watching
You were
Stranger
here
Things,
watching Stranger
and now we are here watching Sadie.
Wow.
Random.
Welcome to the Phoenix Club.
Welcome to Phoenix.
Can you hear me now?
Where is it from
Can you
the
hear me now?
ashes?
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now?
It's bingo tonight. Bingo at Phoenix Club. It's Phoenix Club.
Party's over, can you find another party somewhere? We live for today, we pay off the cops, and when you think the party stops, the party's wrong.
No more to wither when he's grouchy and rough. No more to listen to him bellow and bluff. Tomorrow morning I'll be throwing my stuff wherever he ain't, wherever he ain't. It's time for little Nell to rebel. If he's in heaven, I'll go to hell. I walk behind him like a meek little lamb, and had my fill of his not giving a damn. I'll go to Senor Solanas, I am, wherever he is, wherever he is. See you out and about with the sun, chat for a spell.
Were you just headed back from the bay?
Now why on earth would they be down there?
That's such a lovely dress you're wearing, my dear.
That'll break you just wearing that yesterday.
Lord heavens, what a freaking display!
Dirty laundry people, fresh from the streets. Dirty laundry slippage, torn slips and crumpled sheets. Our standards fading, our morals in decline, with such dirty laundry on the line.
Half your fun girls worry.
Can you read that we're to blame?
What can be a really scary industry, and they are doing it with such courage and curiosity and bravery. And one thing I can say is I've only spent a few hours with them this evening, and they are truly a lovely bunch of people, so should be very proud.
So after the show. Sadie's here. Amazing performance. There's Proud Dad.
Hello.
So, how do you feel?
Good. Yeah, I enjoyed it. My solo went well. The other numbers went well.
You've got a very
Your solo was amazing.
you've got a very powerful voice.
Thank you.
Projection qualities. I don't think you need a microphone to be fair.
Definitely stood out.
So, if people want to get in touch, how do they get in touch with Sadie?
On my Spotlight or via my agent's email,
Which is?
Tell us.
which is Harry at hfassociates.com.
Harry Fox Associates on Instagram. He is on Instagram because he's.
Well done. Cheers.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Well done. It was a great show.
So it's I'm actually doing this live. So this is the live setup here, and it's currently the 6th of Feb 2026, 1:10 in the afternoon. This is the official first live vlog of the new studio. So welcome everybody and say hello. Well, it went well. A little bit of a live stream, about 55, 60 people watching live, which is great. Did a little mini demo as well, so you check that out on the YouTube channel as well. But I've literally now got to get myself geared up, ready for a painting workshop tomorrow in Southam, and then I've got to jump on a plane. We're going to a Creative World show in Frankfurt in Germany. So I will see you in Germany.